Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. With the holiday season right around the corner, it's the perfect time to start thinking about those special gifts.
Today we're diving into our top 10 Christmas sets for the year. Whether you're shopping for a skincare lover, a self-care enthusiast, or just treating yourself, these sets are packed with everything you need to glow up all season long.
So let's get into it. Kicking off our top 10 is the Elemis Ultimate Pro Collagen Collection. This set is an absolute dream for anybody who is looking for anti-aging skincare. Inside you'll find your cult favourite Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm, Marine Cream and a few more skincare heroes. It's the ultimate luxury gift for anyone looking to keep their skin glowing and youthful through the winter months.
The Elemis Grooming Collection is the ultimate gift for anyone who appreciates a top-tier grooming routine. This set is packed with essentials designed to keep the skin looking and feeling its best. Inside you'll find a travel-sized selection of skincare essentials suitable for all skin types. Whether you're shopping for your dad, your brother or your partner, this grooming set is a great gift that they'll actually use and love.
Next up, we've got another for the men in your life, the Aspire Winter Wellness Men's Collection. It includes everything he needs to unwind and recharge, from a soothing face wash to a hydrating moisturiser, plus the packaging is super slick, making it the perfect gift.
Another fab choice from Aspire is the Winter Aromatherapy Collection. This luxurious set features 2 essential oil blends and a diffuser, creating the perfect cosy spa-like experience right at home. It's the ideal gift for anyone who deserves a little self-care this winter.
Now let's talk about adding a bit of festive cheer to your home. The Neon Christmas Wish 3-wick candle is everything you want in a holiday scent. With notes of mandarin, cinnamon and tonka bean, it's like Christmas in a jar. Plus it's a great gift for anyone who loves creating a cosy, inviting atmosphere in their home.
And if you're looking for a stocking filler, the Neon Cozy Nights Travel Candle is a perfect choice. This travel-sized candle captures the essence of those perfect winter nights with notes of sandalwood, frankincense and nutmeg, ideal for lighting up those chilly evenings wherever you go.
If you're after a gift that screams luxury, look no further than the Nux The Luxury Routine Set, including shampoo, conditioner and a nourishing mask. This is a perfect trio to treat your locks at home.
Another fantastic option is the Allies of Skin Daily Firming Trio Kit. This set is perfect for those who want to keep their skin firm, hydrated and glowing. It includes a firming serum, a nourishing moisturiser and an eye cream. Basically everything you need for a daily routine that leaves your skin looking its best.
Now, let's talk about achieving salon-worthy hair at home with the Paul Mitchell Big Style Gift Set. This set is perfect for anyone who loves to amp up their hair game. Inside you'll find everything you need to create big, beautiful styles with ease. This set includes the Extra Body Sculpting Foam, Extra Body Boost and a detangling comb, all designed to add lift, body and hold to your hair.
Last but certainly not least is the Corres Cashmere Kumquat Gift Set. This beautifully packaged set is all about indulgence. Featuring the rich comfort scent of cashmere and the zesty uplifting aroma of kumquat, these products bring a touch of luxury to your daily routine. It's the perfect gift for someone who deserves a little pampering, or for yourself when you want to feel wrapped up in luxury from head to toe.
And there you have it, our top 10 Christmas sets of the year. Whether you're shopping for a loved one or treating yourself, these sets are sure to bring a little extra joy to the holiday season.
Let us know in the comments which one caught your eye, and don't forget to like and subscribe for holiday gift ideas. Merry Christmas!